sort of up to the brim in the ladle. Place it in the center of the pizza and evenly distribute it around the dough. Next, you're going to take 1 cup of cheese in your measuring cup. Make sure you use a measuring cup. Place that in the center of the pizza, and again, evenly distribute it. And it should look something like this. Then, you move on to your toppings. So, to make a pepperoni pizza, grab your pepperoni, and evenly place them around the pizza. Should look something like this. And to finish a pizza, you always use the spice mix, unless there are special instructions not to. And the spice mix is over here. Take a pinch, sprinkle it on top, and then that goes right in the oven on either of the first 3 racks. Now, onto our large pizza. This is a 14-inch dough. For the large, you're going to do the same as the small, except with a large ladle. Get 5 ounces of sauce. It should come close to the rim of the ladle. Place it in the center of the pizza. And again, evenly distribute it around the dough. Then to the cheese. For a large, we use 2 cups of cheese. So get your measuring cup, place it in the center. And make sure it's evenly distributed on the pizza. Should look like this. And again, we don't want to take your toppings, evenly distribute.
So what is the importance of evenly distributing the toppings on the pizza?
Well, if you don't use the measuring cup and you don't evenly distribute the toppings, when they go in the oven, sometimes the toppings will all go to the center, or they'll all, fall off to the sides. You want an even distribution so that there's toppings all over the pizza. And also, if you don't use the measuring cup with the cheese, there'll be too much cheese and it won't cook thoroughly, or you'll get bubbles in the dough, which will ruin the toppings. So you need to make sure that you use your measuring cups and that everything is evenly distributed. For vegetables, you feel free to freehand the vegetables, but just make sure again that it's even on top of the pizza. So for the green peppers, just make sure it's evenly distributed. And all your other meats, at every other station, you'll have a measuring cup to use, and I'll show you that in a second. So when you're done with that, again, every pizza with the spice mix, give it a little pinch. And again, on one of the first 3 ovens. Now this is our 16-inch dough. This is used in the afternoons for our pizza by the slice, Hawaiian pizza. And on this, you get 6 ounces of sauce. So take the big ladle, fill it with sauce in the center, evenly distribute again. And then to the cheese. Make sure you use your measuring cup again.
how many cups of cheese do you get on a 16-inch?
3 cups on a 16-inch. Make sure you measure. And distribute it. And on the 16-inch Pizza by the Slice pizza, pepperoni, you're going to want to make sure that you put double pepperoni and that it looks nice and even. So you're going to layer it like this. And you just keep going until the whole pizza is covered. And then I'll show you with any of the other meat toppings, you're going to want to use your measuring cup. So you'll have a 4th cup. And for a small, you're going to use a 4th cup. And for a large, you'll use a 1/2 cup. So, like with the chicken, just make sure you got it in there. And then you can put it in your hand and distribute it evenly on the pizza. For a large, 2. Make sure it looks nice and even, like that. And then again, as with all our pizzas, pinch of spice mix at the end. And then that, again, goes in the top 3 ovens. And that's how you make the pizzas.